So imagine this, if you're coming in with a high risk case, like you're having like homicidal ideation or suicidal ideation, for example, do you think the AI should really talk to you and be allowed to say whatever comes up, right? We think not. We think that for extremely high risk cases, a human should look at that, and AI can actually be more rule based, and it can provide you with a safety kit and resources, right? Versus a case where you're just having, where you just had a bad day, and you're actually struggling and to cope with, bad traffic, fight with your manager and things like that. So that's where you would want more freedom, and you would want AI to kind of be very dynamic, right? So we solved it using like a multi-agent system. So every time you talk, we figure out which agent needs to actually talk to you. So if it's a high risk case, it goes to a different agent, which is more rule based and human led. And if it's actually a low risk case, then it's actually more AI led, right? And then there's somewhere in the middle where you have people with clinical diagnosis, but who are actually dealing with life challenges. Here, AI can actually help with psychoeducation.